Morning, my dear students. Now I would like to share the topic hydrogen peroxide in fourth unit. How do you prepare hydrogen peroxide from metal peroxides? Hydrogen peroxide formula H2O2 is one of the most important peroxides. It can be prepared by treating metal peroxide with dilute acid. Let us see the equation. Barium peroxide reacts with sulfuric acid. They give barium sulfate and hydrogen peroxide. Another equation, sodium peroxide is treated with sulfuric acid. They give sodium sulfate Na2SO4 and hydrogen peroxide. Suppose the hydrogen peroxide is prepared on an industrial scale. So, what is the industrial preparation of hydrogen peroxide? So, you have to prepare a large amount. So, which reactant is suitable for that? Two ethyl anthraquinone. 2 ethyl anthraquinone. It is an organic compound. First, the hydrogenation occurs. The quinone, it is present in the middle of two benzene ring. The quinone form turns to quinol form after hydrogenation catalyzed. The next, when again it is converted into quinone form, it undergoes oxidation. Finally, it produces hydrogen peroxide. So it comes as organic layer and below aqueous layer with hydrogen peroxide. So in the aqueous layer, 40% solution of hydrogen peroxide is separated. The pure hydrogen peroxide is almost a colorless liquid, sometimes pale blue, less volatile and more viscous than water. How hydrogen peroxide acts as oxidizing agent as well as reducing agent? So third question, it is about hydrogen peroxide. Here, oxidizing agent means it oxidized others and reduced itself. When hydrogen peroxide reacts with ferrous sulfate, it turns to ferric sulfate. Here ferrous oxidation state plus 2, the product side iron oxidation state plus 3. So ferrous turns to ferric. It is done by hydrogen peroxide. So in this equation, hydrogen peroxide acts as oxidizing agent. The same hydrogen peroxide in the second equation acts as reducing agent. In aqueous solution of potassium permanganate treated with hydrogen peroxide, manganese oxidation state plus 7, the right side manganese dioxide oxidation state plus 4. oxidation number decreases. The first equation plus 2 2 plus 3, oxidation number increases. The second equation plus 7 2 plus 4, oxidation number decreases. It is also done by hydrogen peroxide. So here hydrogen peroxide acts as reducing agent. Write the uses of hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is used to make water treatment to oxidize pollutants. The second is a mild antiseptic. For washing wounds, hydrogen peroxide is used. Then bleach in textile industry, then paper industry, hair care industry, then restore white color of the old painting. Suppose the painting on the wall the long ago turns to black. So what is the reason? Lead sulfide will form. The lead sulfide, the black color, it stands to white by using hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide. Actually, in this equation, when lead sulfide treated with hydrogen peroxide, lead sulfate and water will form. Lead sulfate and water will form. Hydrogen peroxide is used to restore the white color of the old painting, which was lost due to the reaction of hydrogen sulfide in air with the white pigment Pb3 OH twice CO3 twice to form black color lead sulfide. The hydrogen peroxide oxidizes the black color lead sulfide to white color lead sulfate. So the black color lead sulfide turns to white color lead sulfate, thereby restoring the color. Draw the structure of hydrogen peroxide. Regarding hydrogen peroxide, fifth question. Actually, two types of structure are given. One is in gas phase, another one is it is in solid phase. It shows open book model. Hydrogen peroxide has a non-planar structure. So from the model, in gas phase and solid phase, we can write down the points. It has a non-planar structure. It is represented by dihydroxyl formula in which two OH groups do not lie in the same plane. Right? Hydrogen atoms would lie on the pages of a partially open book and the oxygen atom along the spin. Point number 4. In the solid phase of molecule, the dihedral angle reduces to 90.2 degree due to hydrogen bonding, and the OOH angle expands from 94.8 degree to 101.9 degree. So these are the points we should write. Go through the structure of hydrogen peroxide. This much points are enough. Thank you.